For those of you who are new and this is kind of your first time tuning in, the Watercraft Journal is a digital magazine first. We publish new articles Monday through Friday at www.watercraftjournal.com. There's no subscriptions, there's no passwords, there's no downloads, there's no firewalls. It's all there. It's entirely free. It's a lot of industry news, it's product reviews, it's vehicle reviews. We don't do a lot of event coverage anymore. And that's just kind of the nature of the sport and then the nature of finding freelancers. And we're just kind of dialing in, reining in a little bit of what the Watercraft Journal does. And we've been doing that over the last year or so. Anyways, as of right now, and for those who are new, we also publish new videos every Monday through Friday. Excuse me. And those videos, a lot of times, are sampled from our live sessions. We'll go in, we'll grab highlight sections that are important or are topics that should be readdressed, and we'll share those throughout the week. And that is when we're not doing unique content on reviewing a watercraft or a ride or product reviews or something to that effect. So lots of content coming from the Watercraft Journal and all of our contributors. And if you're only tuning into the YouTube channel, you're getting probably 30% of what we do. So definitely check out watercraftjournal.com, where the vast majority of our effort is put. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.